Hi, today I'm going to tell you about vectors. Vectors of a given number are the numbers by which we can divide it. For example, if we have 20, we can divide it by 2 and get 10, which means that 2 is a factor of 20. For finding all the factors, we need to write all the multiplications by which we can get 20. We will start with the smallest number. 20 is equal to 1 times 20. The next number after 1 is 2, so we are going to write 20 is equal to 2 times 10. After 2 is 3, but we cannot do the multiplication with 3 and get 20, so we will skip it. The next is 4. 20 is equal to 4 times 5. After 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20, but it is the same like 4 times 5. And we don't need to write it for the second time. So we will stop the multiplication here. Now we can figure out all the factors. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. We can copy all the numbers in increasing order so we don't miss any of them. An interesting fact is that every number has at least two factors, one and itself. For example, even if we cannot divide 13 by any other number, it is still equal to 1 times 13. So 1 and the number itself are the only factors here. The common factors of two numbers are the same factors that both of the numbers have. For example, to find the common factors of 24 and 10, we need to find their factors first and see which of them are the same. 24 is equal to 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. 10 is equal to 1 times 10 and 2 times 5. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. To find the common factors, we need to look at these lists and see which numbers we have in both. We have 1 and 2. So we can say that the common factors of 24 and 10 are 1 and 2. If you understand, find the common factors of these numbers and write the answers in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment.